This is the Gem Bags anti-shock bag for cameras, compact cameras and camcorders. It's made in a showerproof material and has a zip lid which allows you easy access. Inside the bag there's an extra thick padded inner on all sides and also on the bottom. In addition to the padding, the bottom, front and back have a PE board which gives the bag its shape as well as an additional protection for your camera. At the front, the pocket, zip pocket, includes space for compartments for 2 SD cards which are separate from the battery compartment, which is right behind. At the sides there are metal hoops for use with the supplied long shoulder strap. And at the back there's a easy to use Velcro belt hoop.